Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday Market Webcast. Happy Veterans Day to everybody out there, everybody who served. Thank you for your service. Daily chart. It's deceptive on the daily chart. You can see the third standard deviation upper band touch there, and it came back in, and we're kind of hanging out. You can really see it, though, on the hourly. We've been consolidating. Since the pop on Monday that settled. Yesterday was a consolidation day. It's continuing to consolidate now in a little bit of an upward slant. You can see that the hourly midband wants to be support, and we'll see if that continues through the day. That's down at 35.49.5. It was a solid trading day yesterday. It was really whippy and choppy in the afternoon. It was kind of a triangle all day. But it was wide enough to get some work done. We were able to put some really nice trades on, but you couldn't really get a runner going. A runner didn't want to pay. It paid in the morning, but in the afternoon it just kind of wanted to hunt and peck in and around either side of that hourly midband. So as we head into today, does the hourly midband, has it chosen a direction? Is it support? If that's the case, then it needs to come up and it needs to give a solid look at the roundy at 3,600 and see what that wants to be in regards to support or resistance. If it's resistance and we come back in, then you're looking at basically a range. The top end of the range is trying to carve itself out right now. The bottom end of the range has established itself at the pre-FOMC price down at 35.12. So if that holds true, then basically it's 35.10 to we don't know yet, and maybe we do a nice little wide range-bound trade into the end of the week, and that's fine. Everything doesn't have to be a rocket ship one way or the other. We already did that this week. What we haven't seen is any real sustainable pushes to the downside. So that's where I'm at. Heading into the day. Consolidation phase. We did a couple trades last night. It was fine. Nothing super exciting. Nothing red, which is always good. But we are settling into a really nice tradable atmosphere right now. I was talking to a lot of people yesterday, talking to people that didn't trade as much over the summer, didn't really trade prior to the election, and I think the next 2 to 3 months is going to be very tradable. Just enough vol, not crazy. Not dead. There's enough still rattling around in the tape, and there's you've got COVID uncertainty and things like that it's settling into a really nice tradable scenario for the next few months. So if you've been hanging back or you took some time off or you did whatever, this is the time to come back to it right now. We're clear of the election craziness, and there's probably a little bit of election craziness left, but I don't think it's going to be too nuts to turn the tape into something that is so volatile that you can't trade it. So I talked about a really nice tradable environment after the election, and I think we're there now. So heading into today, you've got volume weighted average price 54.5. I mentioned the hourly midband 49.5. Proprietary moving average 66 going on 67, and we're sitting right on top of the 5-minute midband right now at 69.5. So 35.12 versus, well, we don't know yet, but we're going to find out. Let's see if they can challenge 3,600, and let's see where we close today in relation to that hourly midband. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be healthy, be safe, take care, trade them well. Haven't said this in a very long time because I haven't really wanted to promote anything actively because of all the things going on in the world, but this is the time to come back to the room. We've got a great group of people in there. A really nice mix of newbies and veterans, and the vol is really clean right now. So if you haven't checked us out and you're waiting for a good time to check us out, come check us out. All right, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.